Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make a communicate inside a notice board. Means how to add a new notice board like a title, notice date, publish date, message to like student, parent, teachers, and one is a message. Means notice whatever do you want to write here you can write it. Okay, and after we will add to database and after we will show here all the data. So in this video we can continue notice board. We need to make here like a two button, edit button and delete button. Suppose we need to edit, so we can edit, and we need to delete, so we can delete. Also we can make here filtering, so you can make a filtering wise, and also we can check here is a pagination not done, so we can do the pagination. So let's continue notice board. So first of all we need to check the code. After we can check what is the part is remaining, so this part we can continue. Just open your code like resources, inside views, inside admin, inside you need to go to like communicate, inside notice board, inside you can see it like a list.blade.php. Okay, so let's make some zoom out and just go to down. Okay, so we have made a listing, we have not did like a pagination. So let's make a pagination first. After we can do is a like a edit and delete icon, means delete buttons. So let's open any other class. Let's go to class list and just copy pagination class. Okay, just copy and paste bottom, and here you can change like get record to get record. Okay, is already there. So the pagination class we have add done. Okay, so let's close this one, we don't want to need this also. Okay, let's go to app http controller. Inside we can check like a communicate controller. Inside we can see like this is the controller we have created, is already there pagination. So already there is a pagination, means that this model notice board model already there is a pagination. So let's open our database because we need to use database. So let's load the database. Okay, so now I refresh the page, so working very well, no issue. Let's make a here like a 2 and save, so we can check if the pagination work cannot work. So if the pagination work very well, no issue, you can see it here. Okay, so just go back again, whatever data there before like this we have made. I have made 20. Do you want to like more, so you can do it your end, so no issue. Okay, I just go back again, click on the communicate means notice board, so you can see working very well. So let's now do is a edit button. This is the very simple way I am doing, so please carefully watch. Okay, I already add like a td column, means a td. Just go to any class, let's go to admin inside listing and go down and just copy this is the two routes, means two lines, edit and delete, and I paste here. Okay, now this is the id for the like notice board id, and we need to change this is the our url. Also we need to change here also url. So just go back again and just copy all the url, and we can change like a admin communicate slash notice board slash edit, and here we can make like a admin communicate notice board slash delete. So this is the delete routes and this is the edit routes. So let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check. So here is a we have add two button is showing very well. Let's click on the edit one. So here showing the 404 not found because we have not created this route. So just go to routes, inside need to go web and just go to admin controller. So here we have did, so just copy both of you like add get edit and get and post. So just you can change like edit, and also we have passed like a one parameter, so you can add like id here, and also we can do it here like the same thing inside post. So just copy and we can change to add to edit. So this is the form saving time work, but let's make this comment once we need, after we can do. Okay, so here we can make like add notice board, so we can change to edit notice board. So let's go to now notice board controller. So let's open directly, go to definition, otherwise you need to open. So just go to app http, inside you can see it communicate controller, and here I create a function edit. Now also I have passed like one id because you can see it, one parameter is passing here inside url, you see is a for number. Okay, so this is the parameter we are getting here. So let's save and just open, means we need to get the record. So just copy, this is the line, and we can put here is a listing, but we don't want to use listing. just you can change to add to means list to edit, and we have passed like a title, edit notice board, and like get record. So get record inside we need to get the only for whatever id we need to edit, this record we need to get. So just we can do is a get single, and inside notice board model inside we need to create a new function, static function get single. Here I can pass like id, and I can return self means above class name, like a this is the class name. Okay, and find, and we can pass like a parameter, whatever pass parameter, this one. So I can pass here id. I know we are missing here parameter passing, so just copy and pass this parameter here. So we are getting this single record for this table. Okay, so now everything is good. Just go back again, and we need to create a new file inside notice board. So just go to views, inside you need to go to notice board and create a new file, edit blade.php. The same thing, just you need to go to add.blade.php and copy all the records and paste inside edit. Okay, I save this file, and I just go up and I can change the title add new to edit notice board. Okay, I just go back, refresh the page, so you can see it, everything working very well, no issue. Let's make a autofill data here. So simple way, we have already passed data inside get record. So just get record we can copy and make it value here directly, value get record. Here we have did notice date, so just notice date. Same thing we can do inside title, and also we can do inside a publish date, means every place one by one. So just taking few seconds. Here we can do like a publish dates, and same thing we can do inside a messages. So we just copy and paste here, and here I can change to publish date to message. Okay, this is the we need to selection. This one need to make a like looping. So just wait, I can show you how we can make it. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a everything working very well, no issue. Now only need to show like a message to, suppose this is a checked, so we need to do this one checked. So we need to make here query like a message to, so we need to get the single record. So just we can type like a php and php, please check carefully. Okay, because this is the this one need to you need to understand, because of the we are write a static. So dollar message to student. Okay, so just get record, get message single, message to single, because we need to use a single. So here we need to pass like this id, whatever id there, this id, because of the this id means for number, and also we need to pass like a input id, so is a 3 number. So just you can pass like a 3, and just because I have passed 2 parameter. So let's go to communicate controller inside notice board controller. Inside I need to create a new function, just copy about line and paste bottom, and just you need to write here code like a where notice board id is equal to notice board id, because of the first parameter. You can see it here, pass like a first parameter is a notice board id. So just copy and paste bottom up, and same thing we need to pass like a message to. So we need to pass another message to. So just go to this controller, not controller, yes controller, for this controller, and here you can see it like a message to. So here we can second parameter is a message to. So just copy and paste here, and just you can type like here first. So we are getting the data, so it's going, otherwise we are not getting the data, so it's not going. Okay, so here you can see it like we have made a query return, which we have passed like 2 parameter, notice board id and message to. After we have made like query for first notice board id, and here we can check to message to also. So message 2, because you can see it like at time here use notice board id and message 2 for this table. Let's go to table and I can show you. So let's go to schools.com. Inside we can show like a notice board messages. So here you can see it like a 3 and 3 is a fourth, inside 3 you can see it fourth inside 4, fourth inside 2. So our id is a fourth and here is a 2, so it means a 2 like this. Suppose here is a 3, the 3 and fourth to fourth, but you can see like clearly, so you can easily understand. Okay, here I can get the data. So just message 2, so we can go to student and let's make a design wise proper. Otherwise you make a return the count, so it's possible. Otherwise you need to make a first, so it's possible. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. I like it first, this is I'm using first. Otherwise do you want to use the count, so also possible. So I just make a condition if is not empty. So here we can make checked, otherwise blank. Same thing we can do inside parents and teachers. This the student is equal to 3, this is I pass here 3 and here is a fourth, means is like a parents, so we can do is a parents. So just copy and paste here and also we need to put here, so you can see it. Okay, so here also done, but we need to change here like a parents to parent and also we need to change here like a student to teachers, and also we need to make like 3 function here. And here we can change the id like fourth and 2, and here we can change like variable name. Okay, so let's save and just go back and check is working, not working. Suppose the error, so we can sort out the error. I just refresh the page, so it's working very well. You can see it like everybody is checked because notice number 4 is everybody there. So let's go to notice number 3. So we can check is working, so only 2 is checked like student and parent. So you can see it here student and parent, so only showing 2 is checked. Let's go to another one like third one, so you can see nobody checked because this is not there before these reasons. Okay, so this one is working very well, no issue. So let's click on the submit button, means update button, and we need to save this all the data inside a database, means update the data. So just we can change here submit to update, and here we have write like action is equal to null. You can see it from the same URL is a reload as a post method. I can told you again what I did, just I passed like 2 parameters. First is the notice board ID and third one is like a message ID. Message ID means it like a user type. Okay, this is the user type and this is the like a notice board ID. And if we have made here is a one query, and this query wise we can get the data. And after I made a like is not empty, suppose here data found, so it means is a checked. So data not found, so it's going to null, so it's impossible to checked. Okay, now it's clear. Let's make now update functions. Just admin edits and insert. So just we can change insert to update. Go to communicator controller and here we can make update. So just you can make a simple way, just copy above insert one and paste bottom, and just you can change to update notice board. And also you need a ID because we are passing inside URL one our parameter. You can see it like this here. Okay, and also request to request, and here we can change to get single. So if we don't want to need a new record, so just update the record, and also we don't want to need a like created by. Okay, so here we need to remove first whatever data there inside notice board message inside. So just we need to call the one function delete records, and here we need to pass like a $id, means this is the ID, means notice board ID. So just need to go notice board message model inside, and here we need to create a new function static function delete record, and here I can pass like a ID, and here make like a return self. Here no need return, just you can use like a notice board message model class name where notice board ID is equal to $id means is also notice board id, and here I make a delete function. So is a record is deleted successfully, so no issue. Okay, here I can save, and after we whatever data there, this is going to update means I insert new. First we can delete all, and after suppose you are choose like two records, so first we remove the third three records here, and after we can add a new two. Okay, and just we can change here like a notice board successfully updated, and here is already their data like title, notice date, published date, and messages we are passing, so we are updating the records. So let's save and just go back again and check working not working. Okay, so what I did, I have deleted the records. Inside notice board message you can see this query, and after I add a new message. Okay, so message 2 means I just remove the part like parents and teachers are removed and click on the update. So you can see it only student is remaining, other one is removed. Suppose I go to database, so you can see it like only id changed because other id removed 6 inside fourth notice board id inside a 3 means is like a student. Suppose I go to edit now again, I checked like all, and I click on the updates. So you can see it like a 6 is removed, 7 8 9 is a new, and fourth inside you can see it notice board is a fourth id, 3 4 2 is adding new one. And after this is the also work like updating, this is the also work, so you can try. Okay, you can see it welcome Allah 1 AHA 1. So let's make a now delete function. So delete is very easy, it's just you can click and remove because we don't want to make a backup. You notice what type need a backup because completely need to remove. So just copy this line like edit one, and here you can change like a delete, and also you can change like a delete notice board, and just create a new function because listing inside we already write here new URL, you can see it. So also I create a new URL. So let's create a new function delete notice board inside communicate controller. So just function delete notice board, and here I can pass like id, and just we can whatever we need to copy like this one copy, add single, and here I can. Okay, now we need to make like a delete because we have get a single record here. So just copy dot save files $save, and just put like a deletes, and also we need to delete like this is the message 2. So just copy this line and put bottom, and you also need to pass here id, so we already pass here id, and just copy this above line, and you can put like a return redirect to back because we don't want to use like a URL now, just need to type like a back here. So here we can make notice board successfully deleted, and I save these files. Let's go back again and refresh the page so we can check working not working. Okay, so let's click on this lines deletes, so it's working very well, notice board successfully deleted, and here is a not there in id, this is not showing. Suppose you can go to notice board, so you can see it is a delete done. Okay, let's make edit this ones, and I can add like teachers only, so you can see it like a teachers. So this is the working very well, no issue. Let's make now filtering. Suppose we need to use a like filter, so how we can use it. Okay, so we can do like a title, notice date, publish date filter, notice date, start date, end date, start date, end date for publish, and message to, and created by we don't need, created date we can no need, just we need to do like 3 or 4 filters. And suppose do you want to see is like messages, so just you need to edit and you can see it your message whatever do you want to type. But we can show this is the notice board means this message we need to show inside a teachers, parent, and student. We need to create a new pages inside we can show. So don't worry about it, how we can show I will show you. So let's make now filtering after like a notice board part done inside a admin side. So just go to back again, go to list, and just go up like here I think so, and just go to list about the admin list, and we can copy his filtering like here there. So just copy like a card item, so just copy the cards and paste inside a 12 like here. Okay, so here just we need to change search notice admin to search notice board, and here we need to make a reset button. So notice board admin communicate notice board, so this is the reset button. So let's save this file and just go back and check what information show here. I refresh the page, so you can see it search notice board. Here we can make like title, another we can make start notice date, end notice date, start publish date, end publish date. Okay, and message 2 we need to make a drop down student, parent and teacher, whatever you can search and you get the data. So first one is the names, to change to title TATLE, and here we can change to also title, name is equal to title, also we can change here title, and also we need to make like a 2, no need a 4, and we don't want to need an email, so just removing emails, and here also need a 2. Here I can make like a notice date start notice date start, otherwise 2 notice date 2 and from. Okay, so it look like better and people can understand easily. Whatever do you want to use, so you can use your hand. I just explain my way, this reason. Okay, and we don't want to need any placeholder here, we don't want to need also here placeholder. Some place I removing, but you can do it easily. So just we can change here notice date and notice date here, and here we can make like a 2, and also we can make here notice date 2, and here I can make like a from. Same thing we can do inside a name. Okay, so everything is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can see how it looks show. I refresh the page, so you can see it like notice date 2, notice date from. Same thing we can do with the publish date 2, publish date from. So just copy same thing and just paste bottom, and we can change notice date to publish date. So just notice to publish, and also we can change like a publish date, so like this P, and I just make a small letter, and also I can change here, also I can change here, and also I can change here. Okay, let's save and go back again and check. So I save and I just refresh the page, so you can see it also 2 showing. Let's make another 2 for the message 2. Suppose he need to filtering like student, parent and teacher, so he can do it. So let's copy, and I can put like a message 2. This is the you need to understand carefully, because this is the we need to make a join query, so please carefully understanding. Okay, and I make like a select class form control, and here I can make like option value is equal to null. First we can make select, second one we can do like a student, teachers and parent, whatever do you want to write. I just first student, second one is a parent, and last one we can do it like a teachers. So do you want to make first teacher, so you can make it, and here we can provide his value. So let's go down, 2 means teacher, so just you can put here like 2, 4 and 3. You can say it like a 4 means student, sorry parents, and 3 means students, so I write like a 3, 4, 2. Okay, whatever do you want to like you can write, and let's make auto selection. Let's go first up back and just refresh the page, so you can see it, and let's remove some gap here there, because here we have made like a margin top. Let's make a 10, also we can make here 10, so just go down sometime, means this is the gap going to small. Okay, now look like a better. Okay, so message 2 I can search, so here we need to make like auto selection because is not done. So just go back again, and we can provide his name here, message 2, and here I can make like a auto selection request get message 2 is equal to 3, so it's selected, otherwise not selected. And also we need to make a 4 here and 2 here, so 2, and also we make a here 4. Let's save and just go back again, refresh the page, so let's see how it looks. Show, let's refresh the page, means select the and select, you can see working very well, no issue. Now publish date also works, so let's 28 to 31. I search here, so also work, everything is working very well. Sorry, this is the part I need to check. I just check here, sorry about that, but you can understand, like autofill automatic working. So let's go to controller inside model, and we need to make a like query. So here is we don't want to need this listing. Control edit file we don't need, we have that no need. Just go to notice board controller. Here we get record for this function. So just we can create one variable inside into pass, like here no need, just you can pass here, and just here make a semicolon, and here we need to make a return $return. Okay, and here we need to declare like a use request, so we can use it request, and we can make a filtering here. So let's go to another models, and we can copy quickly because we don't want to write like this. So just go to users one, and I just copy, this is the like query for title. I just copy and I paste here, so you can see it like request get name. So same thing you can make it like a title. So search here, so you just make a title here, so title and title. And also you can use a trim function, sometimes space is there, so sometimes filter not works. This is I use a trim function here. Here you can make like notice board dot title, because we need to concat here using the users table, this reasons. Okay, so let's go back again, working not working we can check. Just type welcome and we can search, so you can see it now filtering working for the title. Now same thing we can do is a notice board. So just select for the select and refresh the search function, so you can see it like notice date to notice from to. So just simple copy this line. I already explained you before. Suppose you are using your own plugin, so you need to convert YMD. Okay, less than is equal to, here we don't need, so just you can use like a $request get notice date to, oh sorry, I have read wrong, from to. So just we need to change the like this is the going to first, from to, so here is going to 2, because I have write wrong, sorry about that, because sometime I forget what I am doing. So okay, now it's good. So let's back again, and we can change like a 2 means the less than is equal to, and from means so yeah, from means we need to go whatever go, so starting time from, so greater than is equal to, and 2 means the less than is equal to. Okay, here we can change like a notice board notice date, and here we can change notice date, and here you can see it like filtering. So it's good. Let's make a filter and check work not work. And I already like this is going last and this is going to first, I already changed. So I made a filter. I think some error there, not found notice date 2. Okay, where is the problem? Why I have not saved this file, this reasons. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So working very well, no issue, because record not found, this reason generate the issue. Means record not found, record is not there. So here I can check like 27 from 2 means the 27 like 28. So need to show these records. Okay, so 3 records show, because we are not at, let's edit and let's make this is the like 26, and I update, and I can make a filter like a 27 to 28. Okay, and I search, so we need to show only 2 records. So is the filter working very well, no issue. Same thing we can do inside a publish date. So just copy these 2 lines and paste bottom, and we can go back like here publish from date from. So just you can change publish from date, and here you can change publish date to, same thing we can change here, and here you can write like a publish date, because this is the database column name. Okay, I can show you here, you can see it like published date, this reason we write like a here published dates. Okay, so everything is good. Just go back again, refresh the page, and we can make filter this one. So published date is a 30. Let's make it 28 only, 28 to 28, so only one day. I search now, so you can see it like only one record. So this is the also work. Now last filter is remaining like a message to. Suppose I can choose a student, so only two records show. This is here student there, and also here student there. No need to show other record. So here we need to make like this. So we need to make first a join query. So just make like this, get, what is the name? So easy, it is a message to. Just go back again, go back again, and here we need to make a like join query. Here I write also message to, and here we can make first join query. Okay, so just go up and copy this join query, and just go down and just provide like a return, and here we can make like a notice board message. You know me now, because I already created new tables. I can show you first, like this is the table notice board message. I just notice board message dot id. Okay, not a notice board dot id, means this is the notice board id, and here we can make it like a notice board dot id. So this is the join query, and here I can make notice board dot message to. So whatever user type we are copy, means search, this is the record need to show here, and remove the is equal to. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can check work or not. So let's see here like student, and I click on the search now. So record not found. What is the issue? Let's see here. Notice board dot id, notice board dot id, notice board dot message to. Okay, because I have not changed here name. Oh sorry, I have made a wrong place. I don't know why today I am doing like this way. So here we can put, and here we don't, same thing, just copy above one and paste here, and just you can change here, and just change to less than is equal to, remove the other part. Okay, and same thing, message to dot, like whatever there here, just copy and paste here. Sorry about that, sometime I made a mistake. Okay, so now look like better, and here is a join query, and here you can see it like a where query, whatever you can searching this ones. So let's go back again and check working, not working. I refresh the page, I select the students, I click on the search, so only you can see it like a student. Here you can see student, here is also showing student. Suppose I can choose the only parents, so only showing the parents because it's a parents. Suppose I can go teachers, and I search, so only showing the, here is the teachers, and other record is showing the teachers. So is the message to also work. So I think everything I clear, like add, edit, delete, and also how to work message to, publish date, notice date from to, and publish date from to. So everything is clear. Do you have any questions? So please comment. And do you want to like this video? So please like. Do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. Next video we can continue about the notice board inside a teacher side. Suppose this is the message to only teachers, and with is a published date is available. So we need to show is a teacher side, otherwise we don't want to show inside teachers. Okay, so and parents and student also we need to do same thing. Whatever we can start module about student, parent, and teacher notice board. So let's see which is the best priority we can do like this. Okay, so thank you for watching.